Alright, so you made it. You trying to make money and work from home and different stuff like that, I see, huh? That's cool. Best decision you ever made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do it, because I did it. I quit my job a while ago. And I actually do this full time, which makes me qualified to teach you. So with that being said, it's not hard to make money online. It's not hard to make money, period, as long as you know what you're doing. So that's why you're here, because you want me to teach you how to do it. You want me to show you how to do it. So it's not going to even be a long explanation at all, because it's not even a whole lot of stuff. But pretty much that's what it is. You know, you here because either nobody is teaching you how to make money for yourself, or you had the heart to say, I want to learn this on my own. So you're here. So what I need you to do is put your name and email in that box below, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to make money online. You're going to be real mad because it's not even a long explanation. But with that being said, what I need you to do is put your name and email in that box, and then I see you on the inside, all right? So put your name and email in that box. I ain't playing.